we are introducing the Sense 8, the next generation of all-in-one smart home security device. The device is truly a piece of art, where environmental monitoring sensors are precisely crafted in a unibody aluminum body. The Sense 8 is wireless and portable, and it provides complete protection for your home. Sense 8 is perfect for peace of mind when you are away from home. Sense 8 allows you to monitor your home anytime and anywhere. There is absolutely no monthly fee for either video surveillance or video cloud storage. It intelligently sends you accurate alerts when extra-normal activities are sensed. It also can deter burglars using a 95 decibel alarm. Sense 8 is perfect for environmental monitoring of your home. Sense 8 is equipped with many high-precision sensors such as temperature, humidity, ambient light, sound, motion sensor, and HD camera with night vision. Our patent-pending Smart Health technology gives you smart analysis of Home Health Index, which helps you to adopt methods to make your home a healthier place.
Meet Riley, the Appbot who's always on the move. Riley's a robot you can control with your smartphone over Wi-Fi or from anywhere around the world through the internet. Just download the app and link up. That's it. Riley can check to make sure your doors are locked. Out of town? Riley can send you alerts from a built-in motion detector. Riley knows when he needs to recharge. But that doesn't mean he's off duty. Even from the docking station, he can monitor your home overnight. Well, time to power down. Tomorrow's another busy day.